Right. Oh right, I can't call Froggy here. Who else do I call? Sure. Yep. Hey. Actually, I might need some help right now. I know you don't do. Hey, I need a little bit of help. I need a little help. Actually, here. I knew I should have called Phil Doll. Hey, I need some help. Hey, don't hang up on me. No. Oh. Just found that out. And I thought it was silly that you would call someone during the cutscene. Yeah, it's neat. So, yep.